Hi kids, hi to all of you. Good afternoon and very welcome in this amazing YouTube session of ODA. So I'm your master teacher Rahul and we are going to talk about this topic, alphabetical patterns, right? So I welcome all of you. I believe all of you guys are doing great. I hope you are prepared to learn something new today because this is going to be very interesting and very important topic for you guys. Right? Let's get started. So my name is Rahul Chaudhary Bhardwaj. I hope all of you guys recognize me by now, right? So I have more than 4 years of teaching experience and I have mentored more than 25,000 students as of now. So you are in this YouTube session of ODA, but we have the app also. Remember I told you in one of the last session that we have the ODA live class app, which you can download from the Play Store. Link you can find in the description box. Go download the app, explore so many things there. You will be getting so many free sessions also. So just have a look on that, explore the app. You will be finding something really cool stuff over there. Okay, and not only that, after downloading the app you can also explore this bridge course feature that we have. This bridge course is actually a short-term program, a trial classes wherein we are going to teach you for 6 days three amazing topics on science and three very amazing topics on maths as well, something which you are not learning anywhere else but which can really help you understand the concepts in a better way and do the calculation fastly, right? So give this program a try. If you want to enroll in the program, you can just click on this icon. This link will be there in the description box also. It is only 49 rupees course. So 1 week of amazing education at such an affordable price, only at rupees 49. So I believe all of you guys have joined us by now. So this is the time to start the session. So hi to all of you once again. Remember what we were doing in the previous session? In the previous YouTube session, we have learned about number patterns. If you have not seen that video, find the link of that video in the description box and make sure you watch that because it will really help you understand what we are going to learn today. Right? So I will give you a quick recap. Don't worry if you guys were not there, if you have not seen that session, don't worry, I will give you a quick recap on that. So in the previous session, we have learned about the number patterns. So what are number patterns? Number patterns are actually a collection of numbers. I want you guys to focus on this thing. Number pattern is nothing but a collection of number that repeats or grow according to a rule. And we have learned so many things about number patterns. We have done some examples to understand that. That is why you need to watch that video. Okay, after this you can watch that video. And this was for the number patterns. Now talking about the alphabetical patterns. So alphabetical pattern, it is again a collection of letters. Okay, all the letters of English alphabet that we have A, B, C, D. So alphabetical patterns are basically a collection of letters that repeats or grows according to a rule. The only difference between these two being in number pattern, we have collection of numbers. In alphabetical patterns, we have collection of letters. We have one more kind of pattern which we are going to learn in the next session. Right? Let's focus on the alphabetical pattern today. So what are alphabetical pattern? You will be having a look that over here we have some letters, right? So either they are repeating or they will be growing. Only two options are there. Let's have a look on this one. So we have O, R, O, R, O. Can you guys tell me what will come next? O, R, O, R, O. What will come next? The first thing that you have to notice in all these alphabetical pattern is if it is repeating or it is growing. For this particular example, I can see that this OR is repeating. This OR is repeating. Both of things are okay. Either it repeats or it grows. Both of the things are okay. So OR, next time also it is going to be OR. Next time also it is going to be OR. Right? So that was an easy peasy example only for you, don't you think? Let's try one more question. So we have APP, then we have AP. What will come next? Again, have a look if we have the pattern which is repeating or growing, and you can notice that pattern over here is again repeating APP. Next time also, it is coming out to be APP only. Okay. Similarly, try the rest two questions also. LLE. Again, repeat this LLE. Okay. Then WWTT. Again, it will be WWTT. That is how number. That is how the alphabetical patterns it works. It will either repeat or it will grow. So we have seen this example where the pattern is repeating. Let's do one question so that you can understand this in a better way. Then I will be telling you the second kind of case also when the pattern is growing. Okay, so I have this question for you. What will be the next letters in the pattern? So here we have A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. What will be the next four letters? That is the question for you. Can you quickly answer this in the chat box? Can you answer this in chat box? A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, A. What four letters will come next? Okay. So as I have told you, the very first thing which we have to observe is the pattern repeating or growing? So we can see that this pattern, this particular pattern A, B, C, D, E is repeating. Right? Here also we have A, B, C, D, E. So definitely next time it is going to be A, B, C, D, E only. Because by the definition of patterns, patterns repeat. By the definition of pattern, pattern repeats. So that was the first case. Now talking about the second case where the pattern grows. Where the pattern grows. So can you see over here? We have X, Y. Then I have X, X, Y, Y. X, 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 Y, Y, Y. X, 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 Y, 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 Y. What will come next? It's no brainer, guys. It's no brainer, right? So you don't need to think about it so much because quite evidently we can see that first time we are having one X and one Y. Second time we have 2X and 2Y. Next time we have 3X, 3Y, 4X, 4Y. So definitely next time it is going to be 5X. Okay, it is going to be 5X and 5Y. As simple as that. I hope you guys are able to understand. Okay. So 1x, 1y, 2x, 2y, 3x, 3y, 4x, 4y. So definitely next time it is going to be 5x's and 5y's. Clear? Understood? Okay. Let's do some questions now. So I have this question for you. I want you guys to give this a try. Okay? Find the missing one. So you can see that in the very first example, we have A and D. They definitely have some relation. That relation, that rule we have to find. Okay. Then B and E, they also have the same relation, same rule. C, F, and then we have to find this one. Right. So what you guys are going to do with the help of these three given things, you are going to find what is the rule. If I have A here, why D is coming over here? If I have B here, why only E is coming? First thing you have to find this out. And once you are okay, once you have found, then you can use the same thing over here. This is an Olympiad question. In ODA class, we prepare you for Olympiads also. And this is an Olympiad question. Okay? Have you found the answer? Tell me in the chat box. If I have E over here, what should come next to E? Is this F, J, H, or K? Let's try to figure it out. Let's try to solve this out. Okay. So I have A over here. I am skipping B and C. Two letters I am skipping. Right. After A, I have skipped B and C to get the next letter D. Okay. Next time, start with B. I am skipping the next two letters C and D to get E. B, C, D, skipped, then we have E. After C, skip D and E to get F. So I have figured out that this is the rule over here. We are skipping next two letters to get the third letter as the answer. right? In all the three given cases, this was working. So this is something which we were looking for, and that same thing we have to do over here now. So after E, I am going to skip F and G. So what will come next? H. So option C, H is the right answer. I hope you have got this right. Okay, let's do one more question. This question is also Olympiad question. Find the next two in the series. A, Z, B, Y, C. Okay, what will come next? Let's try to one thing. Let's just take one only. Okay, let's just try to find one next only, and after that, one more you will find, and options I will not give you. For the next one, the options are given. Okay, try to do this. Come on, come on, come on. Can you find this? A, Z, B, Y, C. What will come next? What will come next? A, Z, B, Y, C. What will come next? Okay. Okay. So I will do one thing. I will just give you a hint only, and I will give you this question as a homework. Okay. I will just give you one hint how to solve the question, and you will try this question as a homework. The hint that I want to give you is you can see that this A, B, and C, they are in the starting of the alphabets, right? And this Z and Y, they are at the end of the alphabets, right? So if I write like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then also here we have U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now observe what is going to happen. First of all, I have taken A from the beginning. The next one I have taken from the last. So first from the beginning and then from the last. Again, I will take the one from the beginning and then one from the last. Is this how the pattern is working, right? A from the beginning, Z from the last, B from the beginning, Y from the last. So this is the pattern which you have to follow. Do this and let me know what is the answer in the chat box. I will give you this question as a homework. Try this question. Okay, let's do one more question. Complete the following pattern. After this, we will wrap up this session. So I have this question for you. Complete the following pattern: AAC, BBC, CCC, DDC. Okay. So over here, I am getting three different letters in a single term. But nothing to worry about because we will simply follow the process only. Let's focus on them one by one. Okay, so here I have capital A, then I have capital B, capital C, capital D. What will come next? Capital E, right? Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Next time it will be capital E. Now focus on the middle one. Now focus on the middle one. Small a, small b, small c, small d, and then it will be small e. Okay? Last but not the least, we have C, 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 C. Definitely it will also be C. So that is how one by one we have to observe all these things and accordingly we can find the answer. Capital E, and small c. Option A is the right answer. Have you guys understood each and everything? Tell me in the chat box. You can press 1 for yes and 2 for no. Have you understood this concept of alphabetical pattern? This is very simple only. The only difference being over here, we are actually taking the help of the letters, not the numbers, but the English letters. Right? That will be all for this session, guys. I'm giving you a reminder to download the app if you have not downloaded the app. Okay, do that. And yes, bridge course is going to start from next Monday. You guys can enroll yourself. You guys can book a seat for yourself using this link, which is already available in the description box. This amazing product is only for rupees 49, right? So you can enroll yourself, download the ODA app. You will be earning so many ODA coins, which you can use to redeem all these gifts free of cost. Okay. So in the end, I will just say if you have liked the video, do share, do like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next session with next topic, which is alphanumeric pattern. Till then, take care, keep learning, stay healthy. Bye bye.